Ever wonder how to turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine? You're not alone. I'm on a monetization mission and I'm bringing you along for the ride. Hi, my name is Alex and I'm a full-time project manager, now diving into the ins and outs of YouTube. I've spent my free time over the last 12 months researching and developing a strategy on how to reach YouTube monetization.
This channel is all about getting monetized on YouTube. What works, what doesn't, and how you can reach that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour milestone. I'll be testing growth strategies, breaking down real earnings, and exposing the mistakes that could slow your progress.
No fluffs, no fake hacks. Just real insights from somebody actually on that journey. We recently started a new travel channel, documenting our family trips, and we'll be using this channel to show what works and what to avoid on your monetization mission. You can expect honest reviews and feedback on the strategies we implemented to reach our monetization. Our goal is to help creators reach financial freedom. Full disclosure, we started the channel on January 4th, 2025. And as of this video, we currently have just over 1,700 subscribers. We met the 1,000 milestone within 4 weeks of starting our YouTube channel. We will share a link down below to the travel channel that will be used as a use case throughout this series. If you're ready to grow, earn, and succeed on YouTube, hit that subscribe button and join me on this monetization mission. Use the comment section to reach out and share your feedback or just ask any questions. Let's get that YouTube payday together.